Okay, I'm going to start filming the thermal camera as well. This is 14 karat gold on 96% aluminum oxide substrate. We're traveling 10 millimeters at 45 millimeters per minute at 30,000 RPM using a dremel spindle on a 1610 CNC mill. We're going to be traveling in the Y direction, which is generally with the tool moving towards the camera, but the tool itself will be stationary while the substrate moves. So with no further ado, I'm going to go ahead and turn the motor on and go ahead and make contact and start the test. This is test number 1. I'm going to turn the spindle off and restart the recording.